Addis Ababa University was the first university founded in Ethiopia as a two-year college in 1950 by the Jesuit Lucian Mete. This time its name was the University College of Addis Ababa. In 1961, this college and the Theological College were brought together to form the Haile Selassie Forest University. Emperor Haile Selassie first gave his Gennet Lul Palace to serve as the administration building and the main campus. In 1974, following the revolution, the university briefly renamed University of Ethiopia or National University before it came to assume its present designation Addis Ababa University in 1975. As I said before, this is the Kennet Lul Palace, which served for the first time as the administration building and the main campus for Addis Ababa University. What you look at my behind of my back is the John F. Kennedy Memorial Library, which was opened in 1969. It is served as the main library at Addis Ababa University at and there is another library which is called Digital Library. It is served as a second in main campus or 6 kilo campus.